Jinja City is located in the eastern part of Uganda on the shores of Lake Victoria and is the host for the world's famous River Nile that anchors Uganda's major power dams, the print-taking Jinja Cable Bridge, among other tourist features. Like other districts in Uganda, Jinja City is among those that benefited from Parish Development Model, a presidential initiative to increase household incomes to the money economy. Parish Development Model is a community development approach focused on empowering communities in rural areas to identify and address their specific needs. In Jinja City, the program is operated in 26 parishes comprising 141 villages and emphasizing a participatory decision-making process in collaborating with various stakeholders. This program is aimed at penetrating the psychology of many rural people in the two lower local governments of Jinja City Southern Division and Jinja City Northern Division. With what beneficiaries are exhibiting here in the city, it is now upon the leaders to continue giving them guidance so that there is continuity of the enterprises and increase on their household incomes. All these efforts are geared towards helping the 39% of Ugandans who are living below the poverty line to be directly involved in the money economy. While monitoring some of the beneficiaries, we found out that many of them are doing well in different enterprises, though 70% of them are dealing in poultry, piggery, goats, and cattle rearing, as others are in direct farming and other enterprises. Ngobi Saidi, a beneficiary who ventured in fruits business in Jinja Central Market, and Chalimpa Muhumuza, who is doing well in goat rearing, recount how the Parish Development Model has helped them improve on their businesses and take good care of their families.
Ibala bino byentunda nalinzira capital nga newola bugole manerendazi na bampola ayo tisawa weno nibweninga kweinumano business yange sawa weno tikewola era nfune sente kubala byembate nsobwire naboneka nti zena nebesawo ni family yange abana bange tibabagobye ninze zena niwoningirire yangera bwole kumbona mazima gende mbeera sawa yabuti timbi
ekigendererwa bwe kyali kya kulunda mbizi ne kiyamba ne tufuna ku sente eza PDM bwe nafuna ya miliyoni nengulako obubuzi bwali butaano bwasooka obwo butaano nengenda nga nkola nga bwenyongerako mpolampola currently bwonna obutaano bwazaala ezasooka bwobwo obutaano bubiri bwazadde mu nnaku eziwedde. So currently ku sente zampeebwa ninawo nfunye embuzi eziwera 13 nga ziviira ku ezo zennyini ezatandika ze nafuna.
During the inspection, the town agent for Central East Ward, Nangobi Helen, has applauded government and Jinja officials for the initiative that is aimed at addressing people's incomes.
Twidye okulambula kuba beneficiary baife wano wetuli wa Muhumuza Thomas. Muhumuza Thomas yali wa pigare, yali mu project ya pigare. Yalowooza muye yakoba kiki ekisobola okuntoola mu bwavu. Yakoba ati akandire mu mbuzi. Yaleeta embuzide atukobya ati yatandika n'embuzide 5 lake nafe embuzide dizaala babiri aweziza saawe ali mu mbuzi nga 20. So alina eisubi nti ajakola bulungi embuzide didamu mutoola mu bwavu era asuubira ati omwaka guno egunaaweerako aidaba level yindi avuire mu level ere gye yali mwembi.
In Magwa Parish, we also visited some of the beneficiaries who ventured into poultry. Kutesa Simon Peter is one of them, and one person with disabilities, Motes Florence, who decided to invest in turkey rearing.
Group eyo twali tuliba member ku SACCO, PDM SACCO eya Magwa Parish. So nali member era nafuna omukisa nti nalondebwa nali omu ku balondebwa ku mukuso gwasooka era batulonda abantu 10 batuwa akakaire ako bwe twakafuna ng'omuntu n'ajja mu maiso okola bizinesi ey'okulunda enkoko kuba obulunzi mbwidi era nalina bukolaku era ne experience mukyo. Amayina ge ni Mutesi Florence, ali member waife wa PDM Sacco Magwa Parish era nga mutuuze wa ku Kachi Road wano. Musanufu ino okubabonaku era musimu ino kasente ke yafuna mu government mu PDM. Mulunzi ayina enkoko 5 era musimu ino ayina sekoko, alunda sekoko 9, yaba n'enkofu 2, yalunda n'enkoko 5, ayina enkoko empanga 5 loko, ayina obuto n'obukulu. Aye bumulumya ino omuto kuba bumuboda buli ayina emere wenda ayina okulya aye musimu.
Speaking to the town agent for Magwa Parish, Isiko Linda, she says they have 28 groups in Magwa Parish, and so far they have disbursed 207 million shillings to individuals who ventured in different enterprises.
So far Magwa twagabira abantu 207 sente. Tulina groups 28 mu parish. Kati mu groups edo 28 tulina mu group ya PWD ono omukyala Mutesi Mwagwa nga beneficiary waife ku mulundi gulo ogwasooka. So far PDM ndibona nga etuyambye abantu balikolera irala.
In Jinja Central West Ward, we also found some of the beneficiaries who ventured in piggery and poultry.
Ndi musanga vwino lwa government kyatukoleye yatuwa sente dino da PDM nze yandagana nga nza ku kintu kyona ayo lwe sente edo nsobwere okugula embidi eyo nga bwe muli gibona era ya ezaire era omulundi ogwasooka yazaala embidi edo dinambye ino ku school fees era dinediriwo nenze ndigaziye dibenga at least divwa mukabiri ekyamaani okishinga ku ne school fees.
Batukoba twekolema omulimu twaja twewandiisa olwamala okwewandiisa process buli kimu kyabita mu mitendera gyakyo bamala batuwa sente da PDM aye butinze dange eda PDM najja na engeri gye nayina muko obumanirivu batuwa akakaire kalala batuwa akakaire kalala aba PDM. So nze bwe nafuna edange engeri generally nga nkolanga ku broiler nga nunanga ku broiler mpola nakoba eda PDM kandikole muko ekyendawulo nakola ki na stockinga croiler kuba donna diri mu family ya poultry. So olwaleeta croiler naleeta croiler 10 ni dino de muli kubona wano croiler 10 nga croiler buli emu njiguze ku 13 sirinje 13. So ne jali emitwala 3. So kaida kalala oko era twakola ku immunization wa week asooka ni week eyokubiri twakola gombolo week esooka yali Newcastle then week eyokubiri twakola gombolo no bobutandika obwa glucose nga dakatuuka okugula amanda okudi keepinga warm. So sawa eno tuli ku wiki ya kusatu tukali no dirisa nsubira sente do debatu weda PDM dija kumala bulungi bwe tunavaawo nsubira ditunde enkoko dino mu December.
Speaking to Nyangol Brian, the Office Administrator Planning, Project and Grants Department, who also accompanied the inspection team, he had this to say.
So yes, we are here. This is Jinja Central West Ward. And we are here, we are trying to monitor some of the programs, some of the projects that were implemented by the beneficiaries around Central Westward. And we are here, we can see a structure. The structure is for piggery and it is owned by Mr. Jacob, one of the beneficiaries here. And one of the things that he highlights is that he got the money last year and he started with 3 pigs and now he has a total of about 18. Of which the others, he sold some of them for school fees and also being in position to feed the family. So we really urge that other beneficiaries also take that same cause and use this money as for the intended purpose that is given to them. So we want to thank government and also we want to thank the SACCO committee for ensuring that they identify beneficiaries who take over this money and make the best out of it. So we are happy for this family, we are happy for this beneficiary, and as Jinja City we truly appreciate the stakeholders involved.
However, Musitwa Sunday, the chairperson LC2 Jinja Central Ward, has affirmed that many people have received the parish development model and are doing various ventures to enrich themselves. He has also applauded the government and Jinja City for the good initiative.
Omuluka guno n'ebyalo bisatu Gabula, Ripon and Main Street. On the side of government, njebaza for the initiative y'okuwa abantu akasente akentandikwa. It has really done good. Kuba sente no tuka ku bantu. I'm certain in sente no tudigabye. Being a chairperson LC2 and chairperson PDC, I'm konko sente no tuse kuchi ku bantu. Much as mulimu aba bali but I still have people who are serious. Ekyokubiri ndikwenda okwebaza abantu benkolamu. First, Jinja City, staff ya Jinja City. Ekoze omulimu ogw'itendo awaziranguzi. Nebaza Southern Division, nebaza team jenkola na yazi PDC, niba chairpersons ba group. Nakagaba $1 million, close to 157 millions as of now. Those are 157 beneficiaries. Bendi diwebali, like ngabo wendi kubatambuza, I'm sure nti ono tumugwireku. Ngati tumukubire isi mutulukuida. But simply because intimba yeni intimukozi. Nensonga chimba can't let us just move to Mrs. Ahebwa.
In a unique turn of events, Nabutono Topista, a beneficiary in Walukuba, who received 1 million shillings parish development model money, started with only 100 chicken, but after some months, she sold them at 40,000 each and bought 4 goats. She later used the balance to restock chicken, and after some months, she sold them and bought a cow as others ventured in turkey rearing.
Twekola mu ekibiina batuwa esente edo bampa akakaire. Bampa akakaire ako natolaku emitwalo 6 nagula obukoko nga buto nagulaku n'emmere natandika okwaya. Bukoko bwonna bugula mwezi gwa 6 nabwaya paka Desemba nabutunda ku Christmas nga dagenda naditundanga emitwalo 4. Namala okutunda bwabaawe yali ali kutunda ente ng'eri muki amabunda natola akakaire kalala n'emitwalo 8 nagula ente yazaala. Edasigalawo nayongeramu enkoko nayaya natunda ku Idi kabiri natunda enkoko 50 nagula kabiri edindi okuva ogw'omukaaga edirimu natunda enkoko dire edairako nagula embuzi edo mukyalo nagula embuzi 4 nadigulanga emitwalo 10 emitwalo 45 bangulizaako n'akaana. PDM ndidenumirizamu kuba ndifunamu ebintu funiyemu ebyayo era ebyayo byange ebyo ndisuubira okufunamu ekintu kyenaabanga anenze. Ebaza kanso ne gavumenti ne chairman waife yaidanga natukubiriza town agent
sente edo edampwebwa akakaira akalamba aka PDM kena receivinga ku isimu lyange era naina wonze nganze naina osekoko 2 nayongera okugula ku sekoko imeka 5 sekoko 5 ensada nagigula emitwalo 15, enkazi nadigula emitwalo 10 nabanga nkozeisa emitwalo 55 okugula ki kwedo sente nayongera ogula kwa makoko okugaziwa ekiyumba nagula kwa makoko gali ga mitwalo jali 25 nabanga ningira emitwalo 8 nagula kwa idagala eryo ofuna eri idagala erya deworming wafuna idagala eryo kwidukana wafuna idagala eryo musuda wona idagala eryo lyankostinga kwa emitwalo jali 7 esente dasigala ona aja nagula ku emere je nagula maize bland wa bulido na tabikamu ebirungo ebyemere nagula ku nemere eyo etandikibwa ku obuseko ko obuto kubanga kuseko kebiride nalinawo eyindi yali egonera so nakoba okwekuuma kanfune ku emere eno ebeewo in case seko kebe yalwire mbanzira wenkola ki wentawanira ndala yalula obwana 8 eyindi yalula obwana 10 eyindi yalula obwana 9 aye mudonadona nadi balancing amaji nadiwa amaji gali 12 that is 12 eggs era webwakula eri abandi abaida babugulenga buto day 1 era day 1 yona lindi gitunda omutwalo mulala era abandi bagula ko buseko ko bwali 8 day 1 10,000 edo bwenatundaku bwatuyamba butya ekisoka nayongera okugula ku emere nga bukali buto nayongeraku okugula ku idagala eriyamba nga dikali nto buti seko kedo didye nga dikula seko kedo di wakawano dituyambye kintu kinene ino dituyambye mu bintu ebyetagibwa waka kubanga buti mami yali tayalinga yali musomesa yali tayalinga buti takakola ki takasomesa edo sekoko omuntu okwidogula sekoko enkazi ngankulu ya mitwalo 10 sekoko ensada ngankulu nze jenerundire nganjiwaire neidagala njirisi semere enungi njitunde emitwalo 17 so wetubanga tujitwaire ku bucha tutunda emitwalo 2 so to making sure sekoko yeweinga yes enyama kilo tujitunde emitwalo 2 so sekoko to making sure anti eweinga 8 kilograms entoneino 8 kilograms nti dituyamba wemba njitwaire ku bucha bagitematema twagitunda tusobola ofuna emitwalo nga 16 ekitone ino tufuna emitwalo nga 15 because eyinza okolamu okutematema ano biki so kiba kituyambye ino okubeezaawo kifamire.
Kale Eunice, the town agent of Walukwa West Ward, has also applauded the government of Uganda and Jinja City for enabling her people access money and now are prospering in different enterprises.
Nebaza ino government ku kino kye yatukolera ebaire ngerete ebintu bingi ekitufunga ku ground biri kwaye nga tibyeinumirizanga PDM. Twebaza Katonda ni government walala nti PDM abantu abafunye sente nga balino mutima ogwokola bakoze era tuli kubenumirizamu ngewa mama wano wetuli yatandika n'enkoko afuniemu embuzi afuniemu n'ente government niwekera neizaya akakaire yakasobola okwemerera ni family ye so twebaza government nti yebale ino kye yakola etakangaawo kubeera bangi bakaliyo abakaenda obuyambi nga buno twebaza ino gundi site ya Jinja ngekulemberwa ni meya waife ni town kiraka Mr. Rwanga kubanga bakoze ino omulimu gw'amaani ni focal person Madam Christine officio mutiyambye ino ni department sidonadona nga wetukolaga ine mu PDM bebale ino kutubererawo kubati byangu titusobola kuba twenka ba town agent twakola omulimu guno babaire walala nife era twakola emirimu edioneka kunga wano wetuli.
The PDM money did not only end with those who invested in poultry, piggery, and horticulture, but was also extended to those dealing in cage farming on Lake Victoria. In Masese, a group of cage farmers benefited from the parish development model.
Nizena ni mu bintu bya PDM kibina kyange bakyeta Copper Cage Fish Farmers Group. Esente da PDM nafuna bampa akakaire bampa akakaire kalamba kesente ake Uganda. Akakaire ako natyama kuba already nga ni mulunzi nga nundira muntu zena nga ni interested okuba nga zena netapa kubyo kuba nga ni mulunzi kuba nekyali nga golo yange nze omukubo abafuna mu PDM program yawebwayo government era nafunira sente mu group ya Joint Youth Cage Fish Farmers Group mu Masese Ward nga sente ze nafuna nazifuna okuinvestinga mu byennyanja kuba ye business gyenkola ki gyendimu era nagulako ebyennyanja 15,000 nempangisako keji nempangisako n'akatimba for the start nengulako n'emmere ekola ki etandikwa era kwebyo ebyennyanja wendi ndikulaba waawe nkola ki wengenda.
PDM byaida PDM yatuwa akasente yatuwa sente milioni ndala wali muntu era tweyanza ino uti PDM yatuwa sente edo na nalinga nkozeyo ekibina kyange bakyeta Local Piggery Development Group era na jana jitematema natolako emitwalo 5 nagulamu ebibindi 3 ekisada kirala n'ebikazi 2 kati ebikazi ebyo ede emitwalo 5 gasigalawo natemaku emitwalo 3 gokulisa gemmere wabanga asigairewo emitwalo 2 ago genakozesa okuzimbisa ebiyumba bino.
President Boyibatu wakakaire kano banange nfunye mwino era nzibwira amaiso era ndi musanufu ino yabampa akakaire ako okusooka najja nagula ensigo ya sukuma wiki bwe nagula ensigo naida napangisa ko itaka yemala okupangisa naleta abakozi balongosa nafuna yokuku ni edindi nagula kuku kine kituyamba kuku okufukiriza kiwota pampo kikaire kaire kiti nagaku n'abakozi abakola sente dawaawo natandika okulima era bwe nimye nfunyemu banange nze nganwirwa ino okuganula kwange kuli nti sukuma wiki ye mubonono ti muzibu wa kufuna osooka kuba bedi okuba nze tyagula kirungo kya manyuwa ye naleta bwa mbulubusi dambuzi natabula nakuba bedi bwe nkuba bedi nasimba era nayongera okutaku manyuwa oyo nokuba ebijimu biti era nze ndaga bwabikola 5 nga bampa 10 ndaga nze wange tikasula ndala bana era ndi musanufu nali nimanga butini ayi butina gaziya okuva bampa sente edo nagaziya era mmene bikola 5 natunda bampa sente najja nagulira abana akawunga abana bange basoma bali babagobanza abana bange bali nga buli sawa bakobanza ati munatoenda asasula fees aye nganzira aye buti abana bange basoma abali musini yabasoma era sente diva musukumo ono.
Project yo nagitandika mu mwaka gwa 2000 aye ngetambula katono aye naida nafuna omukisa government yaleta enkola ya PDM bwe najja newandisa nga ndi mu kibiina kya Baida Basaga bantu omukono banongera sirinja akakaire kalamba era nakafuna naida nayongera mu project najongera mu ntya emmere ne yali embisa obubi nageme sente edo olwokuba nali nakyenditamu nga tidda kugula nkoko olwedde enkoko nali nina dongaye emmere nekyali ekizibu kyange esente nayongeramu nagula emmere.
Wansal Charles, the town agent for Masese, has applauded the NRM government for the commitment to fulfill its manifesto of steady progress. He says that PDM has greatly impacted and beneficiaries who ventured into different enterprises are progressing.
Ndakwebaza mukisa guno. Government inenda kujebaza olwa programu eno kubanga program ziningi diba initiated from ideology ayi kabiri commitment yodita munkola yabanzi but nenda kwebaza government yeno in particular NRM government olwokwe committinga ne fulfillinga manifesto yayo nga bwe yakoba program ya PDM yaidoti yesaga ayi impactinze mu communities edendawulo esente no tudigabye nga tudigabira abantu across bona tuwaira abakyala tuwaira abaami tuwaira abavubuka tuwaira abantu abali ku obukosefu tuwaira abakaire abantu bafunye esente di so far program eno kasooka etandika mu Masese ward twakawa abantu 210 today kasooka etandika kuba olwasooka twagaba emiliyoni 17 ogwo edabera ku account dakola amagoba ga bukaire busatu bwona twabugaba taku nidinode twakamala okugaba buti twamalirize 10 so 10 wota ku 10 nabo bantu 210 sofa muibanga lya myaka jiji no jiri kuwera ebiri.
Nyagol Brown however adds that since people in the fishing communities are within the confines of the city, they also engage them and gave those groups money, especially the youth in cage farming, to boost them since it is the only enterprise they can do best.
This is a government initiative that is aimed at elevating people from those that are below the poverty line. So specifically in Jinja City, Jinja City is a city that is 215 kilometers squared, and in the southern division, to be specific, it is the southern division to the west. It is bordered by Lake Victoria. Now, according to our statistical abstract 22-23, it shows that an estimate of about 51,000 people are engaged in fish farming. Now, this does not lead out or does not exclude some of our beneficiaries in the parish development model. So we are seeing that these families have been so much engaged in this fish cage farming. Like you see the nets around, you can see most of them are youth, and therefore the program does not eliminate any category of people. We see the youth are involved, we see the elderly, we see people with disabilities, we see all categories of people, the women, the men. So therefore I urge that as you look at this fish cage farming, it is one of the programs, or it is one of the initiatives that you as a youth you can also do. You as a man you can also do, even a woman, or even you as any kind of disability around you can do this.
Ndi beneficiary wa PDM nafuna akakairo kuva mu PDM akakaira ako na tola ko emitwala 3 nagula ko enkoko dange dali 10 emitwala 3 buli enkoko ane natola ko emitwala 25 nafuna ya kabuzi kanga kali kazito tene sente dindi nakosa ko kuzimba ekiyumba n'okweyambisa kukola ebintu ebindi ebinagamaga n'enkoko dange enkoko edo esaawa eno mpeziza kubanga mu nkoko edo nafuna amagi agawera n'agaluza nafuna enkoko dange 15 dembe enundera ntwaire mu edisinga embuzi yankampenza ludange 2 ne dembuzi 4 so mfunie mu PDM era nebaza government nti ekintu kino tutambuiza bulungi yatuwaire ekintu ekirungi esente dino tudifuniemu tusoboire okweyongeraku nalina buloko bwange nga bunsumbuwamu but since wenafuna sente nasobola okukola ekintu kino kyenali tesuubira.
PDM okutwalizaamu enyambi kinene bwe nali sinaba kufuna sente za PDM nali sibwenti bwendi, naye kati ndaba waliwo enjawulo kubanga bwe nafuna ezo sente zinyambi kinene kuba bwe nafuna akakadde ka sente najjako emitwalo gyali 6 nengula bisolo mbize natandika nazo ezasigalako nenzimbako ekiyumba nengula nekumere yentandikwa y'obulamu bwa PDM.
Bwe nawulira akalango aka PDM zena najja nakeyungaku mu kibiina ekyo nasobola okufuna ki esente edo. Bwe nafuna esente edo emiliyoni enamba, bwe nafuna esente edo kale nali nunda engoko ayenga zira sente bulungi, aye buti bwe nafuna sente edo nayongeramu mu nkoko dange najja nagula engoko 10. Bwe nagula engoko 10 natema gulako emmere ebiki kati saa dino wentuuse ndi mu nkoko 2.
Twebaza gavumenti ya NRM olw'okuleeta programu eno ya PDM. Mu sako yaffe yampumudde parish twakafuna miliyoni 2.7. Emiliyoni ezo 2.7 zakola amagoba ga miliyoni 2 ne zibeera miliyoni 2.9 era twakawa aba beneficiaries 2.9. Twebaza City Council ya Jinja olw'okutuyamba n'okutugaidinga mu ngeri y'okukolamu emirimu, n'okusinga twebaza President Museveni olw'okujja ne programu eyo.
Esente dange nafuna emiliyoni ndala. Emiliyoni endala eyo bana gunono mulimu gwendi kukolamu. Natolako emitwalo 6 nagula enkoko 2. Enkoko da Kureira na Ken Pro. Kati banange enkoko dino nze nagula enkoko 6. I mean natola emitwalo 6 nagula mu enkoko 2. Buli kakoko nga bakatunda enusu 13,000. Gano mpera ano gendi esente dasigalawo nagula mu emere era ndi kulunda. Nze nafuna miliyoni ndala. Nafuna enkoko 2 ku mitwalo 6. Kubanga buli kakoko bakatundanga emitwalo 13,000. Era sawa eno gengweira ninkuba nti ntunda enkoko dange dino nsobola ofuna emiliyoni 2 natola emiliyoni 9 za gavumenti emiliyoni nagisigaza banange eno nenkulakulana.
Nafuna akakaire k'esente okuva mu PDM ng'esisako ya Kibibi Parish. Akakaire ako ndi mu group ya Bukose Maize Enterprise B. Napangisa itaka eka 2 emitwalo 28 nagula ensigo ya duma ekiro 18 nagula ekijimusa ekiro 5 abakozi abantemerera ku abalima nabatamu emitwalo 25 so nsubira amakungula amalungi singa season ebe etambwire bulungi. Ansubira eka ogifunamu ensawo 16 kwa 2. So bei ya duma weba mu 10. Eka ya duma mba ndigifunamu emiliyoni ndala n'ekitundu. So nali meka 2 nsubira emiliyoni 3. Wentola ku expense mba nsobola okusasula emiliyoni gye bampa n'amagoba nafisawe miliyoni 2 mu season.
Akaire kanga akesente najja nakagula mu embidi yange. Nagula embidi ndaleti najigula emitwalo 86 ngeri mu omwidulo. We yatuuka gano yamala omwezi mulala kitundu yazaala embidi 16. Embidi edde 16 olw'okuba nti ndini faamu ntono naditunda ate nali n'obunigirizo obw'abaana school fees ninze mwene nali mu mbeera mbi olw'obugagga bwali buboneike nga bugwirewo oku naye zena nasobola okutunda ensolo edo n'abaakunga omuntu era butisaaga eno ndi muntu kubatiringa omuntu olwo ow'einuma nisaaga eno wendi nevuga nze ndi dibeeyi y'amafuta nebaza meeya nebaza omwami Kizito Levity City Planner waife nebaza group yekulembera omwami Kagawa Ellen kuba abantu abo bambeererewo ino kundabirire y'ebisolo byange bino.
However, the majority of the beneficiaries of the parish development model in Jinja City ventured in poultry, piggery, vegetable farming, goat rearing, among others, and majority of them are doing well, thus fulfilling the government's initiative on improving household incomes.
In Wakaleng, most of the people have been poultry and piggery. There is only one person who is in cattle rearing. So far, in Buwenda Ward, we have dispersed over 207 million Ugandan shillings to 207 beneficiaries. Buwenda Ward has 8 villages, of which almost we have given them equally in each village. The people who have been involved in poultry mainly have been rearing broilers. That means that after every 1 month, they sell off and get some profit. After that profit, they restock the enterprise.
We are enjoying the breeze of Northern Division, and apparently we are in Nawangoma Parish. We are seeing the modernities that have developed in agriculture. We are seeing someone having half an acre, but this beneficiary actually looks at having tomatoes, but also one of the sides we've seen cabbages and also eggplants, but also there are some stems of cassava that we are seeing, and she plans to incorporate other crops in. Now we truly appreciate the government initiatives on sensitizing farmers that you can do mixed farming, that besides having only one crop, you can also put up other crops that can grow together with the others, so that you have both income for the household, but also you are in position to appreciate the food security that you will be having. Now I am here with a lady called Bagume Rose. She's one of our beneficiaries in Northern Division here in Nawangoma Parish, in Nawangoma Village. You can truly appreciate her efforts. You can look at the crops, how she has done the staking. The tomatoes, normally the ordinary one, we look at having the stakes, that is the sticks. But now here we are looking at threads that are tied up to the tomatoes and then they are pulled up. And then also we are in position to appreciate the irrigation that is done, local irrigation, where pipes are run through the rails of the cabbages. That means the farmer, during a dry season, the farmer is still in position to actually harvest crops. Now, unlike other areas where some farmers are affected by the weather, the climate change aspects, but for this case, we are in position to see that we have local irrigation that is taking on. We have a nearby borehole that is around, so she's in position to collect water. Then the water is run through on the small pipes. And also we are seeing that in the tomato section, we are in position to appreciate the beauty of mulching, because we are seeing that mulching, if there is heat, the sun cannot penetrate through the soil easily. That means the moisture text is reduced. But also we are in position to see that the mulches can also decompose and also be used as those are local organic fertilizers. You can see the tomatoes are really breeding well. They are doing well, they are sprayed. So she expects in this garden, she got PDM, of course, that is 1 million. She expects to benefit about more than 2 million or even 3. And these are not annual crops. These are crops that she keeps on changing. These are vegetables. So in a year, you can realize that someone can actually get more than 6 million in 1 year, because the tomatoes can take about 3 months, and then the other crops that are mixed in. Yeah, so I'm going to give her to talk to us, and then you'll hear from her.
Eitaka napangisa Afrika. Buti nalima enana. Era enana edo bwe nakungula nagulamu ebyayo. Natoolangamu ku ne ssente nasomesa ki abaana. Kabiri era buti naizaawo nasimba. PDM enambire irara kubambako byenti nali ndi bubi. Aye buti ndi bulungi. Nali ndi bubi aye buti ndi bulungi. Anti buti ebintu eitaka lino napangisa ninima ntoolamu akasente nasomesa abaana. Ninze nafuna ku obuyambi. Netuusa ku oba kasabuni ako kizigo nabanga ndiboneka bulungi tiri kalubizibwa gavumenti webekobye eti ndizeeyo esente ntunda ebintu byange naizaayo kuba gano wenalima nsubira ofuna obukaire nga butya bubiri ntunda naizaayo nasigala tinkaja mu maiso kuba nagula ku n'ebyayo ndine embidi ndine embuzi nente ndinado
ninze Kalulu Majidu ow'Enangoma Budondo ndi muluka ogw'Enangoma PDM njebaza olwampa esente nagula mu ente eno era nze ente eno enambye nkama olunaku nafuna mukwe akasente akanemereza amaka gange era nebaza ino abakulembeze baifwe banamba ino okumpa ku obuvunanyizibwa na zena unafuna ku government enkulankulanira government enambye ino mpaga nsaya nobuti endawulo buti njibona